Hello everyone, and welcome back to episode 4. In the previous episode, we explored the Commerce Engine, which we described as the brain of digital commerce. We learned how it manages products, pricing, promotions, and customer orders behind the scenes. Today, we'll explore 2 more important components that make modern digital commerce smarter and safer. The first is the intelligence layer, which uses artificial intelligence and analytics to help businesses make better decisions. The second is the payment and security infrastructure, which ensures every transaction is completed safely and securely. Without these 2 components, digital commerce would not be as personalized, efficient, or trustworthy as it is today. Following our last session on building the Commerce Engine, today we're installing the 2 systems that make digital commerce truly frictionless: the intelligence layer for smart decision-making, and the payment and security shield for building customer trust. The intelligence layer is critical. It transforms raw data into meaningful business decisions and actions. In our modern ecosystem, this layer allows businesses to move beyond guessing and react to real customer behavior. How do businesses know your preferences? Imagine you walk into your favorite cafe. Before you even place an order, the barista smiles and says, "The usual iced latte today?" How did they know? Because they remembered your previous visits. Now think about Shopee. When you open the app, do you see exactly the same products as your friend? Probably not. Your homepage is different because Shopee has learned your shopping habits. Maybe you usually search for skincare, or sports equipment, or home decorations. The system studies your behavior and recommends products that match your interests. This ability to learn from customer behavior is powered by artificial intelligence. Let's look at 2 important functions of AI. The first is personalization. Personalization means providing different experiences to different customers. For example, if you frequently purchase books on Shopee, the platform may recommend newly released novels or educational materials. However, another customer who often buys sports equipment may receive recommendations for running shoes or fitness accessories. The platform isn't showing random products. It's showing products that are most relevant to each individual customer. This improves customer satisfaction because people spend less time searching for what they need. The second function is predictive analytics. The word predictive means forecasting the future. Predictive analytics acts like an AI crystal ball. By forecasting based on historical data, businesses can anticipate needs. For example, before Hari Raya, or Chinese New Year, supermarkets and online retailers expect demand for festive products to increase. Similarly, Shopee may predict that demand for school supplies will increase before the new school term begins. By predicting future demand, businesses can prepare enough inventory and avoid running out of stock. Instead of reacting after something happens, businesses make decisions before it happens. Now let's introduce another technology called natural language processing, or NLP. The name sounds complicated, but the idea is quite simple. It acts as an AI translator, allowing computers to understand human intent and context so you can search using natural everyday language. Imagine you want to buy a backpack. Instead of typing a specific brand name, you search black waterproof laptop backpack for university. You didn't enter an exact product code. You simply described what you wanted. NLP helps computers understand human language. It analyzes your words and identifies the products that best match your intention. Without NLP, search engines would only recognize exact keywords. With NLP, search results become much more accurate and helpful. Let's pause for a moment. Think about the last product recommended to you on Shopee, TikTok Shop, or Netflix. Did you actually click on it? Maybe you even bought it. If your answer is yes, congratulations! You've experienced the intelligence layer in action. Consider the nightmare scenario. Imagine you found the perfect product. You've compared prices, read the reviews, added it to your cart. But when you try to make payment, the system crashes. Or worse, you don't trust the website because you're afraid your bank information might be stolen. Would you continue with the purchase? Probably not. This shows why payment and security are so important. This component is often called the trust component because it gives customers confidence to complete their purchases. Today, customers have many payment options. They can pay using credit cards, debit cards, Touch and Go e-wallet, Do It Now QR, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Buy Now Pay Later services like SpayLater or Atomi. The easier and safer the payment process, the higher the chances that customers will complete their purchases. Embedded finance takes this even further. It integrates payments so smoothly into the background that the checkout process becomes invisible, removing the psychological pain of handing over cash. Have you ever used Grab? After completing your ride, you simply get out of the car. You don't hand over cash. You don't take out your credit card. Payment happens automatically. This is called embedded finance. Of course, convenience alone isn't enough. Businesses must also protect customer information. Every time you make an online payment, sensitive data such as your card number, personal details, and banking information must remain secure. Modern digital commerce platforms use encryption, authentication, and AI-powered fraud detection to identify suspicious activities. This protects both businesses and customers from cybercrime. Without strong security, customer trust can disappear overnight. Let's test your knowledge. Which of these best describes the role of the intelligence layer? It's option C, analyzing customer data to personalize experiences and support better business decisions. Before we finish today's lesson, let's review the key ideas. The intelligence layer helps businesses become smarter by using AI, personalization, predictive analytics, and natural language processing to understand customers and make better decisions. The payment and security infrastructure builds customer trust by providing secure payment methods, protecting sensitive information, and creating smooth transaction experiences through technologies such as embedded finance. It's the ultimate balancing act. Intelligence predicts what you want, while the payment shield protects your data and makes buying easy. Together, they turn a casual browser into a loyal customer. We've built the engine, trained the AI, and secured the vault. But how does that physical product reach your doorstep? Join us in our final episode as we explore the logistics network and conquering the last mile. We'll explore the fulfillment and logistics network, where we'll discover how digital businesses transform online orders into real products delivered right to the customer's doorstep. Thank you for watching.